Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kids picnic tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Best Choice Products 3-in-1 Kids Picnic Table. The weight capacity of the picnic table will determine how many kids it can accommodate. This is a sturdily built table that can support up to 220 pounds, which makes it excellent for kids aged 3 to 7 years. Apart from this, the table has a 3-in-1 design that includes a detachable tabletop section, a water tub underneath, and a small sandbox. This makes it a fun selection that will find great for catching pretend fish and building mini sandcastles. What is more, it is a handcrafted table that has been built using 100% real wood for long-term use. Due to this, it is a selection that will serve for long and withstand the harsh weather conditions. More interestingly, it also has an adjustable umbrella to keep the place cool under sunlight. Moving on at number 4, we have the Step 2 Playful Picnic Table and Bench Set. Step 2 Playful Picnic Table is a complete set that provides both table and benches for the kids. The table has a capacity to accommodate up to 6 kids, hence a selection you never want to miss. Besides this, it has a neutral color palette that will suit most spaces, making it excellent for both indoors and outdoors uses. It has been built using the highest quality of BPA-free plastic material, which means that it serves for years. The table is also weather resistant, hence a pick that will serve longer just as expected. Additionally, the table is wider enough for kids to have their items when playing or studying. Other than this, the feet of the benches and table are wider for maximum stability, hence a selection you never want to miss. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Indoor Kids Table and Bench Set. Are you interested in getting the ultimate kids picnic table for your kids? This is a special set that provides both table and benches, hence a pick that supports up to 4 kids. They are highly durable units that have been built using the best quality of solid wood material, hence will serve for long. Additionally, the table set is recommended for indoor use, hence provides a dynamic use in bedrooms, living rooms, kitchen, playrooms, and more. Other than this, the table plus bench has a neutral color, which you will find great for most spaces, making it a selection you never want to miss. It has a perfect height, making it a unit that will suit the kids better. The elegant picnic-style table is widely applicable as you can use it for arts activities, playing, and eating among others. At number 2, we have the Costzon Kids Picnic Table with Adjustable Umbrella. Featuring a wider adjustable umbrella, this is a fantastic selection of a kids' picnic table that will provide great comfy. You can easily adjust the size of the umbrella to suit the height of the kid. More interestingly, the table has been built using the highest quality of polypropylene material that is non-toxic, hence safe for the kids. This also implies that it suits all harsh weather conditions. To add more, it is a lightweight pick that you can easily move whenever needed. The sturdy built with wider benches provides spaces for up to 4 kids. It is a versatile unit that you can use indoors and outdoors. And finally at number 1, we have the KidKraft Outdoor Wooden Table and Bench Set. This is another fine selection of a picnic table that you should consider. It is a comfy set that comes with 2 soft cushion benches, hence the kids get great comfy. Second to this, the table has a matching adjustable canopy head that will keep the kids safe for UV rays. The underneath storage spaces also provide the kids with adequate space to keep their items like toys. It is a durable and ruggedly built table and bench set that will serve outdoors under all weather conditions. The weather-resistant wood plus polyester combo greatly extends the lifespan of the table. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.